All right, kiddo. Are we doing... Oh, how about this? We got these 4 over here, right? So you want to do some Mickey? We'll go back to Mickey and we'll save these.
Yeah.
Because we have... What do you think? What do you want to do, Masters? What do you want to do?
Masters of the universe.
Okay.
I have the power.
All right. Here we go. Look, we got a bunch. This is all wave 2 that we're looking at here. So maybe we'll have some good luck in here. We've got it. Man, there's Beastman and Trapjaw commons we really need. I would love a Peppermint Orko. I would love an orange Trapjaw. So, I guess we'll see. The Grails, we have no Grails. No, not even a lot of Epics. Epics are the foods, and the Rares are the elements. So, Terracotta Orko could be cool. All right, so...
Wait, what?
He's clay, Terracotta clay Orko, the gray one.
What?
The brown one, rather. So, which one's it going to be?
First.
The first.
I'm going to keep going for the first.
You know what's interesting while we're waiting for this to open is that in all the Orkos, he's got the color of his costume, his robe and his hat and all that.
Yeah.
And his face is black. The only one that's not that way is that clay one, that Terracotta clay Orko. It's the only one where he's got a brown face that matches his robe.
I don't remember that one.
Yeah, we'll have to look it up. Maybe it'll be in this cube. Okay.
Imagine if it is.
That would be wild. If it is, then I'm a psychic. If it is, I'm buying a lottery ticket. Bum, bum, bum. You're a beast. And what do we got? Hey!
Yes!
Look at him. Common. Why are we so excited about Common? Because we love to have all the original 1983. Okay. By the way, whoever does the sound mixing on this is incredibly loud from Masters of the Universe. So, yep, Common 1983, trying to relive my childhood here. That was one of 2 that we're missing, and now we only have 1 more to go. That Common Trapjaw. Very well done. Thank you, everybody. Good pick, Nick. So that's it. 1 and done, because it's new. See ya.